So hi everyone. So today we are learning a wonderful concept which is also called as divide and conquer. So to understand this problem, so we have given called as minimum and maximum problem by using the divide and conquer methodology. So this is a wonderful methodology where you can understand the quick sort and merge sort with this one problem. If you understand this divide and conquer, how does it works? And if you understand really, you can understand the next quick sort and merge sort very easily. So let's go for the screen and let us understand the problem. Okay. So I hope now you can see my screen. Okay. Let's take an array. Okay. Let's take an array. I will take a very much small array where we can able to understand very easily. So I will take 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, we are just taking a lot only the 4 elements. So we have array. So we should also know what is our low. So low is equal to 0. And height. High means height, means high number of high. Number of elements is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. So high is equal to 3. Okay. So when we pass len of array, we'll get the output of 4. So 4 minus 1, we should pass this. So we'll get 0 and 3. So, and what is the mid value? Mid value, 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. 1.5 is not will be, it will be not available. So we should take 1. So we have this array 3, 1 and 2 and 4. So it will be divided from 0 to 1 and 1 plus 1. Okay, let me explain. So this will be divide and conquer as like this, 3 and 1. Okay, and this mid value will become plus mid plus 1 will become 2. So means 0, 1, 2 means 0, 1, 2, 2 to high. 2 to high means 2 to 4, right? Again, it does divided and conquer. It divides and conquer and become a single elements. Okay, and 1 will become single element. Again, this also become the single element. So like this divide become works. Actually, in this we are not doing the exact fully divide and conquer, but by using this divided, we have divided all the elements. Now we are conquering. We are not conquering everything. We are just taking from this part of set of this thing set 3 and 1. In this we will also means we will find the minimum and maximum. What is the minimum value in this particular set of 3 and 1? The minimum is 1. Okay. So you can take minimum 1, minimum x or something. Okay, minimum x. So in minimum x we got 1 and maximum x. Okay, in maximum x we got 3. The same formula will be applied for here in 2 and 4. The minimum for minimum y, minimum y is 2 and minimum y, maximum y is equal to 4. So we got this minimum and maximum from left part and the right part. So we will now conquer. We'll conquer this both. What we'll do? We'll just conquer this minimum of 1 and minimum of y, x and y. In this we will find the another minimum. You're getting it? From this both of minimum, we are conquering this both and putting a function called minimum. In the minimum, we are passing the minimum x and minimum y. So in the minimum x and minimum y, it will find another minimum which is very much minimum. So our minimum is 1. So it will take the 1 and we got the minimum 1. So we'll put the another function called as max. In this max, we will pass the maximum x and maximum y. So in the maximum x, we will take 3 and 4. And in 3 and 4, which is a max is 4. So like this, it works actually. So the minimum is 1 and maximum is 4. So how this first it divides, then it put the functions and it will conquer, and from the conquering it finds the maximum value and the minimum value by using the function. So let's us do this in a programmatic way. Let us write a program for the same stuff theory. So find minimum maximum function. In this function we required array, low value and high. Right, before writing the function, let us write the starting function. If name is equal to no, equal to main. Main, in this main we have array, right? Arr of array. So I no, I actually 3 1 2 4, right? 3 1 2 and 4. So this is our elements, and low is equal to always 0, and high, high high is equal to, we'll put a len of array minus 1, and we'll put a function, we pass the function minimum value comma max value need to be find from minimum function and max function, where we are passing the arr and the low value is 0, and no, not 0, we just part low, and high, high, and we just printed out the minimum value is min value, the max value, the max value is max v. So in this we'll just print it out. So this is the main function we have written. Now let's come for the let us for the main program, where we are just writing our full logic. So in this first logic, we should we should check the first condition, that is if low is equal to high. Why? Because when in the array, if we have only one element, then nothing of use of doing this all the functionality. So we will check within a first condition itself. If the low and high is same, then we return low arr, no, sorry, arr of low and arr of high, because both are same, right? When the both are same, so the value are both are same, so we'll just pass arr of low and arr of high. Got it? So yeah, this is the thing. Now, okay. Now we have now we want to find mid value. Mid is equal to low plus high, low plus high, hi high. So in this we divided by 2. So we'll get the value. So we'll get the value. So I told you minimum x. Okay, minimum x and maximum y. Right? I'm sorry, maximum x. Okay, you can take an x. Let us do like this. Okay, minimum and maximum by x. Okay, so first y we'll find this, or we'll write a function like this again, and we'll pass this towards for this only, so it finds answer. So we'll pass the array. So first low to from low to mid value, it finds the particular thing, and minimum y and minimum and maximum y. Minimum maximum y is equal to minimum of max of ARR plus AR. Now we have taken the mid, right? We should do the mid plus 1. So from the part of half, and half plus 1 means from half we have taken, we should shift to the right one. So mid plus 1 and till high, right? So in this, I told we have divided everything. Now we want to conquer the everything. So to conquer, we want to just return the values. Return. I told I will use some functions, right? So I will using the function min of x and min of y. Okay. So then I will put a comma and max value in the max value in maximum and y and sorry. First I want to type maximum x and maximum. So we almost done with the program. So let us run. Let's see some of the errors should become, because we are the human, right? As a human, we should get any errors, right? We got the error. So let us fix some errors. Okay. You can see the line number 6th and 16th. We have some of the error, and we have that. Okay, we have some error. Let's check it out. So let me make it an low. Okay, same error. Yeah, I think the height is enough. Okay, let it be. So low. Yeah, I think the double slash should be there here. I think so. Yeah, yeah. The error is was simple. Actually, if you use C++ or Java, the single slash is enough to divide it. But in Python, use the double slash to make the dividing of the particular numbers. So, so the answer is simple. Yeah, you know the answer now. The minimum value is 1 and maximum value is 4. So you can see from this array the minimum is 1 and maximum is. So you guys, you get to know how we divide and how does we are conquering this. So this simple technique where we have single set of array. Let me just a minute. So I was telling that we have single set of array. So we just include with it A and B, part A and part B. So the part A will be again divided. So it becomes single element. Then after getting the single element, each elements will be conquering itself towards to find the minimum and maximum. So you should practice towards where you understand the deeper. So, but if you want to understand the upper part, you can be able to understand. Yeah. So in this video, this is much only. In the next video, we will learn about the quick sort and other things, right?